If I had to move to another country or be in the country that I am and I had to start from scratch all over again with $0, this is exactly the steps that I would take. Hey mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours. It's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong. You are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going. Hello everyone, my name is Idayat and I'm a serial entrepreneur. I have multiple streams of income that brings money into my bank account consistently. One of my streams of income is my modest fashion clothing brand called Cover Me Cutie. Just like the name implies, we do one thing. We give you easy, breezy, modest clothing, curvy girl friendly, that makes modesty a breeze and not complicated. When you buy our sets, you are buying everything in one, so you don't have to overthink. Let's think for you while you grab it and you go. Another one of my businesses is my digital product business. I started this business a few months ago, and 6 months in, I made 6 figures. Now, if I had to do it all over again, here are the 5 things that I will start doing today. Now, I'm a go-getter. I'm not that person that will sleep on an opportunity, because I'm a true believer that every opportunity, just like humans, has an expiry date. And just because God gave me the opportunity today doesn't mean I'm going to wake up and think about it tomorrow. So I grab it, not on the hand, but on the neck when I see opportunities. So number one thing is I'm going to do market research. I'm going to think about, I need to start again. What is that one person that I can help with what I already have in my coconut head that they can pay me for? The first thing I'll think about, I won't think about selling to multiple. I'll just think about selling to one person first. Okay. So I'll do my research and I'll use AI to help me speed up that process. Because back in the day, you probably take a couple of weeks or months. Today, you can take an hour or two to figure out what you want to do in your business. So I'm going to turn in my resume. I'm going to tell ChatGPT everything that I know about myself, okay? And I'm going to ask it, I'm starting from zero. What should I do right now, right? And then when I get that one person that I want to serve, I'm going to figure out what is the pressing problem that they need an immediate solution for. I'm going to turn that immediate solution into a digital product, and then I'm going to give it out to 10 people that I know have that problem. Why am I giving it out first? Because I want to get reviews, because people buy off of other people's reviews. Think about it. When you go on Amazon, the first thing you do after admiring an item is go to the review section and read what people have been saying about it. So I'm going to give them the ebook or the course or whatever I create and let them know it's in exchange for honest feedback. I'm going to get, at least I'll get like 5 honest feedbacks from them, so I could have like maybe a 4 or 5-star review already on the website before I launch. How am I going to launch? That is number 3. I'm not going to wait for people to see my post overnight. I'm going to grab the cow by the horn and I'm going to go live on a social media platform. If I have the opportunity to go live, because you don't need, even on TikTok now, you don't need to have 1,000 followers before you can go live anymore. And I'm going to talk about that bad boy 5 times every single day until I make my first sale. The 5 times every day could be like between 10 to 40 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm going to dedicate 5 hours a day, right? Because I'm starting from scratch and I don't have anything else to it. I'm going to dedicate that. I'm going to break it up and I do it consistently until I make my first sale. When I make my first sale, I have convinced myself that people need the problem that I'm solving. Okay? I'm not going to market it to family and friends to buy, because they are 9 times out of 10 not my target audience. And then what will I do after that? I'm going to create a permanent schedule. And that's number 4, a permanent schedule for myself that I'll follow. If I'm going to be doing lives 3 times a day, because I don't have I'm jobless at this point. I'm businessless. I don't have what I'm doing. And I still need to take care of forget about the children. We always like to say it's about the kids. We want to live a luxurious life too. We want to live a comfortable life. So I'm going to do it for myself. Show up at least 3 times a week, 3 times a day on TikTok specifically, because their algorithm is very good for lives. And my goal is going to be make at least 1 sale a day. After I make my first like 5-10 sales, I'm going to continue to up the price according to the reviews. I'm also going to listen to the reviews and fix as I go, because the more I can fix it, the more premium it can get. And then after that, while doing that, I'm going to be finding 1 day a week to batch create like 50 short form content that I'm going to post across all social media platforms. Okay? I'm gonna blast it on all social media platforms, and I'm going to set up, even if I only have $100 credit card, or if I can ask a family member to give me $100, I'm going to set up an automated boat on social media on Instagram, so that when they comment a specific keyword, it can automatically send to them. That will also help me and increase my conversions. And then lastly, I won't give up easily. Even when I don't see results, I'm going to pivot. I'm going to listen to the complaints of the people, because while I'm live, I'm directly connecting to them. Whether they know it or not, they are eventually going to tell me what they want to buy. And I'm going to tweak my products according to what they want to buy, so I can sell what they want to buy for them. At this point, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked? Or have you commented? You are a business owner, but you go around social media without dropping a comment about your business. Don't do that no more, because you never know when your customers are passing by. So comment in the chat, what do you do in your business or in your job? And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Yeah. Let's go.